Jake Ludington here at HP Discover, and I'm here with William Hohenstein of Gravic, the company that won the Mission Critical Data Award at the Mission Critical Innovation Awards that happened the night before the event started. And tell me a little bit about what it was you guys did to win the award.
Well, essentially what we did was we were employed by the customer to take a legacy disaster recovery replication environment and convert it into an active environment in which they could take advantage of their idle backup system capacity. So what the customer wanted to do was to be able to run the application live on both nodes simultaneously, and subsequently, take advantage of that, added system capacity, provide the capability to fail over from one box to another box in a relatively short amount of time, and also subsequently be better able to control the loads and whatnot as busy times in their processing season come along.
So what were some of the challenges that you guys faced in implementing this project?
Well, the application that the customer was running is known as the Base 24 Classic application, which was developed and produced by ACI. And due to some of the file types that exist within this application, there were some requirements that we had first incorporated into the replication product as a user exit to make sure that the data was applied on a target system in the exact order that it was on the source system. Once we got through the proof of concept, we were able to include this algorithm into the core product so that the Base 24 support for Shadowbase now ships out of the box.
And Itanium, of course, is the sort of underpinning of this whole thing. What about this project made Itanium the right choice?
Well, the customer has certainly been an HP customer, a believer for a very long time. The reliability, scalability, and the cost of ownership for the HP products, especially in a financial market where you cannot afford to have your application go down, this was extremely important to them. And to further increase their availability through being able to run the application on multiple nodes, having that failover, that cutover capability in a relatively short period of time, that was extremely important to them, and it just made sense to stay on the HP application.
And in terms of Gravic, the company, what other sorts of activities do you guys do beyond just this one that you won the award for?
The Gravic Shadowbase family of products provides high-speed loading, database validation. Some of our ancillary capabilities include being able to do database restoration or cleanup, being able to interrogate when issues encounter, and then also all the aspects of the replication product itself being, business continuity, application integration. A lot of customers will use this for utility purposes like feeding their DR or feeding their QA environment or their user acceptance environments with raw production data, so that they know when their application hits a production, ramp, that it's going to work successfully.
All right. Was there anything else you want us to know about Gravic?
The only other thing that I can say is that not only do we support HP Nonstop and HP UX and Superdome family of products, we also support many open server platforms, Solaris, Unix, many databases to include Sybase, SQL Server, DB2. We support many flavors of operating systems, source and target. Anybody that's interested can take a look at www.gravic.com and pull down some pretty fancy white papers.
All right. Well, congratulations on the award.
Thank you very much, Jake.